Hi, I'm Kat and I love my Instant Pot. I'm pretty sure my Instant Pot loves me too, or at least that's the lie I tell myself to get through the days. I miss the sun. I haven't seen the sun in a very long time, but Instant Pot reminded me that we went on vacation once and ate delicious watermelon soup that I'm going to make for you today. First, find a personal-sized watermelon. Cut that watermelon into any shape that you choose. I went with teeth. Is the sun still out there growing watermelons? In the sky? Is there still a sky? You can tell me. Get in touch with me. I don't know how though. Tell the sun. Tell anyone. Tell someone I'm here. Okay, now that we've got that, we're gonna add a little bit of bitterness to life in the form of a bitter melon. There's not a whole lot behind the name. It's just a bitter melon. It's like a cucumber with a really bad attitude. Just scrape it all out until it's an empty shell of itself. My senses are still working. Lemongrass. It smells like lemons. There's not a lot to that either. Ginger to add a little bit of heat and spice and pleasure. It goes up your nose and awakens your brain. Sometimes you don't want your brain to be awake. Sometimes it's nice when it sleeps and sleeps and sleeps and sleeps. We'll get those going with a little bit of chili oil. Sweet and heat balance each other so very well, like Instant Pot and me used to be, but aren't now. So much heat. Chop up a little bit of this anisey Thai basil, and I'll just set that to saute. The heat will release the pungency of the aromatics. It will travel through the air to our senses and awaken our brains. Finally, we're gonna add our special secret ingredient, the mangosteen. Just have to cut along through the thick skin and release the pods within. They're not easy to find, like me. If you let a mangosteen sit in your house for too long, it gets hard.
Eat the mangosteens while they're young.
A little bit of fish sauce. You will notice that I didn't add salt to this. Fish sauce is very salty. I just needed to call that out because people who don't add salt to their food are monsters. And I'm not that, despite what I've been told and led to believe. Fish sauce. Instant Pot, are you ready? Are you? Instant Pot? Are you there? Are you? It's time for soup! Ooh, that's some hot melon. If you're wondering why I cook the melon, because so many of these soups are chilled, it's got so many other elements in it. You don't want to eat raw bitter melon. You don't want to eat raw lemongrass. I'm here for you, I'm here to help. We're just gonna chill this a little bit, we're gonna mash it up a little bit, and see what we've got. Hot melon soup. To the freezer we go. Pouring this back into Instant Pot because the walls are deep and the immersion blender can do its trick and not splash it all over me, all painful and stuff. Whoop, bloop, bloop, bloop. I'm making soup for Instant Pot and me. All these flavors that remind me of a vacation that I think we probably took one time that I didn't make up at all. We can't go on vacation now. Instant Pot can't go to the beach because there are no outlets on the beach and that would make Instant Pot powerless. Instant Pot doesn't like to feel like that, so we stay home. But these flavors can help me remember what it was like when we went places together. This is what it felt like, at least that I've been told. Let's see how it tastes. Melony, gingery, lemongrassy, spicy, fishy, all of the flavors, all of the good things. Would you like some Instant Pot? I wish it could be like this all the time. I know it can't, but for right now, we've got soup. And we've got each other, Instant Pot.